Hey, my name is Emily and I work at RoofClaim. We're looking to have people join our virtual team and I'm the team leader, so I'm going to walk you through a little bit of what we do. All right, come with me and I'll show you what I do in a day. Welcome to RoofClaim. As a sales development rep, I get to play a critical role in connecting with homeowners. Most of the time, I'm the first person they talk to, so I get to start their experience right. And every homeowner is different, so understanding their needs and walking them through our roof replacement process is always new. Yeah, I spent a lot of time on the phone, but the goals that we have to reach each month are very attainable, which makes earning my commission easy. And the whole team here is great. Not just the inside sales team, but the admin, finance, construction teams, everyone. And we all know each other, even though we might not work in the same place. And we all like a little friendly competition. I know I really like being part of a team that always pushes me to be my best. Now, I didn't have a lot of experience when I first started at RoofClaim, and you might not either, so here's a quick rundown of my day today. Our teams are installing roofs all across the US, so while they're out there installing those roofs, I'm in here making phone calls to homeowners in those same neighborhoods, offering them free roof inspections. At RoofClaim, we have the data that tells us if a home was affected by storm damage and needs a roof replacement. It's likely other homes nearby were affected too. And for every successful appointment I set, I earn commission. I earn my base salary of $45,000 plus uncapped commissions and bonuses. Plus, RoofClaim covers 100% of my medical insurance for me and my dependents. But don't worry if you're like me and don't have a lot or really any experience, but if you do have the desire to be successful, because RoofClaim has paid training to help make sure that you're successful in your role. And I mean, why wouldn't they? Because when we're successful, RoofClaim is successful. So if you're competitive and want an opportunity to control how much you earn, join our team today. Oh, and RoofClaim is growing fast, so we are hiring for more than just our virtual sales team. You can visit our career site at roofclaim.com to see our current openings. Okay, see you soon.